Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So if your Wi-Fi is not working and it comes like this, and if you want to turn your Wi-Fi on, just type in service on the search menu, select the service and then scroll down all the way bottom and select then auto configuration. Right click on it and tap on properties, and if make sure starter type is selected automatic. If it's manual, you won't connect to Wi-Fi straight away. Click apply and then click OK. Now if you check your Wi-Fi is connected. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.